Hello, good evening. First of all, thank you, Dr. Anand. My baby was born with bilateral clubfoot, which had caused great concern for us as parents about how we were treated. However, we were convinced by Dr. Anand that it can be fixed after birth. So we were somewhat more confident that the condition could be fixed. At the hospital where our baby was born, we met Dr. Anand, and he instilled great trust in us. Our son was treated by Dr. Anand from the time he was like 16 days old, and we saw great improvements in his foot right after the first cast. So naturally, with all the casting and casting stages, it was not a simple one. I must say, during the casting phase, we did encounter a few difficulties. After which we went on to the shoe stage, where we consistently followed as Dr. Anand instructed us. And we also ensured that we never missed a day of shows. So though there were, like a few misses for other reasons for which we always checked with Dr. Anand to make sure that it was okay. So our focus was always on improving our son's, clubfoot, and therefore we followed the 4-year recommendation for the shoes. And after that, Dr. Anand gave us all clear to stop the shoes. So, and everything that we experienced was beneficial. And of course, we know that it is not an easy journey, but definitely a doable journey. So we told our son that all of these treatments were for his benefit, and up to from the beginning, and he was extremely agreeable and very he accepted it very comfortably. And we will need to let the child know that they must wear the shoes for his or her own benefit. So we are really grateful to Dr. Anand for all the efforts and the wonderful care that he has provided for our child. As a result, our child no longer needs shoes. He just completed 4 years few days ago. So to all the parents who are in this situation or a similar circumstance, I would want to say, do not worry. Trust Dr. Anand and follow his advice, and your child will be better soon. Never lose out on the compliance in any situation. Again, thank you, Dr. Anand, so much for treating our child and, giving him a great future ahead. Thank you.